welcome to Coding with Kids. My name is Kalia, and today I'm going to be showing my project called Rainbow Drawing. So first, we have our first dot one. It will, when green flag is clicked, which means you start the project, it will point in direction, pick random, so it will pick maybe between these two numbers, negative 180 to 180, so it will point in that direction. Then forever it will move 10 steps. Then if on the edge of the screen, it will bounce. If we don't have this, then it will do like this. Bye-bye, I'm off the screen. And it won't return to you except if you have the code to return back to somewhere near the screen, like this code. Go to that code. So we need this. So dot 2 and dot 3 has the same kind of code, because we need 3 dots. Then we have a change dot, which is completely not the same. So at first erase all, because when we press this, it will draw. So when we erase, we will erase it. Okay, let me erase it again. Just need to get erased. Okay, now it's erased. Then set pen size to 8. Pen, we will let it dry on the stars backdrop. It looks so beautiful. Then forever, pen up. Then go to dot 1. Dot 1 is the red one. Then pen down so we can start drawing. Go to dot 2 and dot 3. Dot 2 is orange and dot 3 is yellow. I'm making the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow. Okay, I don't have green, blue, and purple. Which is violet. Then go to dot 2 and 3. Dot 2 and 3. And change pen color by 10. So it will make a beautiful. But if I change color by 1, let's see what happens. Whoa, this looks so beautiful. Okay, it looks so beautiful. So we're gonna add one more dot. I'm gonna draw the dot. So it will be green because it's part of a rainbow. I need it to be green. And then I gotta paint it. 30. I think this is big enough. I think that's how the usual ones are. Yep. 30. Then we need the code. To make it faster, we just need to get this, drag on the code you need, then it's light blue. Then when it is green, that means it received the code. And look, it has the same code as dot 3, dot 2, and dot 1. But right now its name is sprite 1. Then let's do it to dot 4. But don't think this isn't all the thing you need. You still need to go to dot 4 here. Or else dot 4 is just like it's bouncing, it's doing nothing, la 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 la. Okay, so that's why we need a dot 4. Dot 4, dot, or is that, go to dot. Where is it? Aha! Go to dot 4. Let's see what it will make. Go. Whoa, this is so cool. It's like but first, I'm just gonna put it somewhere else. We will put it here. Go. What will it look like? Wow, it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna full screen it. It looks so pretty. Oh, it's like paralyzing me. It's not. But it looks so beautiful. That's why I named it Rainbow Drawing, because it's rainbow. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.